Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix hanging or crashing app issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your apps are hanging or crashing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, if you are facing the issue, first I recommend try to restart your PC and check whether your problem is fixed or not. After restarting your PC or laptop, still you are facing the issue, then you just need to click on search menu, then type here cmd. You can see here command prompt, right click on that and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you need to type sfc /scan now and hit enter. You need to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, just close this window, click on start menu and type here advanced system setting. You can see here advanced system setting. Click on this, click on advanced tab. You can see here performance. Click on the settings, click on data execution prevention. You just need to click on this, turn on DEP for all programs and services except those selected. After that, you just need to click on add, go to C drive, click on program and files, select the program which you are facing the issue with. Suppose I open the VLC, select and click on open. You can see you cannot set DP activation on 64-bit executable. Just click OK and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix hanging or crashing apps issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.